What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fish Over Chicks Woodworking. My name is Peter, and today I'm going to be telling you about 8 projects you can make with only using scrap wood. So, let's get into it. So, the first one we're going to be talking about is a pencil holder. This is just a bunch of pieces of plywood that I glued together. I think it's 4 pieces of plywood, and it's about 3 inches by like 5 inches. And I glued them together, sanded it nicely, drilled 12 holes in the top for pencils. And yeah, you have a really nice pencil holder. The next one is a phone holder. This wood was some craft board that I had left over from some boxes I made. So if you see here, you know, clearly your phone sits here. You got your charger cable there. I would show you with my phone, but I'm actually using my phone to record this right now. But yeah, I mean, super simple. Basically, I just cut these pieces of scrap, sanded them nicely, glued them together, slit here so you can do the charging cord. But yeah, phone holder. You know, you can do plenty of stuff like this with some small pieces of scrap, and that's a cool one. The next one is a different type of phone holder. So this one, I actually cut a hole here, and this part actually rests on your charging block, and then you put your phone in this slit here, and the cord goes through this hole, plugs into your phone. I'll put a few pictures up on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. But this is a really good one, especially for like at night when you go to sleep. Just hang this over the charging block, plug your phone in right there, and it'll be there in the morning. So this is an awesome project. This is another scrap piece of craft board, but it's about a 1 by 3.5, I think. So, you know, you probably got some of this laying around. So this is an awesome project to make as well. The next one I actually just did a video on. It is a floating wine holder. So it's just a piece of scrap 2x4 that's like at least 13 inches long is how much you need. And you just place it there, put the wine bottle in, and bang, it floats. Yeah, super cool, super simple project. Piece 2x4 with angled edges and a hole in the middle. But yeah, I mean, it's super cool, super awesome. This is probably one of my favorite scrap projects. So definitely check out that video. It'll be on one of these corners. The next one is this birdhouse. Now I know you're thinking it doesn't really look like a birdhouse, but the special thing about this is the back is completely open, and I put suction cups on it because what this birdhouse is for is you're supposed to suction cup it to your window. So then when the birds come in the hole and they make the little house in here, you can see it inside your house, which is super cool. I actually made this one for my dad, but you know, I just took it so I can make the video. But yeah, he's been really enjoying it. The birds have liked it as well. So yeah, this was just actually made from a reclaimed pallet, and clearly you don't need much wood here. So that's another super cool one. That's you know, a little bit different. You know, you don't see birdhouses that you suction cup so you can actually see the birds inside, which I think is super cool. The next project is ping pong paddles, actually. I made these just because John, my good friend, who is also the editor of all my videos, shout out John, me and him, we love playing ping pong, so I was like, hey, I got some leftover wood, why don't I make a ping pong paddle? So I made 2 ping pong paddles, and I routed the edges, and I stained one of them, left the other one clear. But yeah, super cool. It was from a leftover piece of 12 inches by 36 inches, just a thin piece of basically plywood that I had left over from a side table I made. And yeah, I actually took a ping pong paddle and I traced it, then cut it out with the jigsaw, and then routed the edges, stained it, and they came out pretty good. And you know, I'm not gonna lie, they work pretty good. I mean, they don't have grip on them, so you can't spin the ball like, you know, you usually would be able to. But they're really cool to have, you know. I'm thinking about gluing them together like this and maybe putting them up on the wall for some wall art or something like that. But yeah, ping pong paddles, pretty cool to do. I think I might do a video on how to build those soon. The next one is a mail and key holder. This is also another project that I made out of pallets. And as you can see, pretty simple. You know, the back, I just glued together some pallets. And then the front, you've got a nice slot there for your mail or magazines. And then on top, I bought some hooks just for, you know, just for keys, house keys, car keys, stuff like that. And I screwed those on there. But yeah, this big slot, you know, for mail is perfect. You just, you know, hang it inside in your laundry room or mud room, whatever. Drop your keys on there, drop the mail in there for the day. So yeah, another one just from reclaimed pallets which is awesome and has been super useful around my house. And the last one is a project I made quite a while ago. Another one from Pallets. This was all one pallet actually, and it is another wine holder. So basically you put your wine up there, it can hold like 3 bottles on top, and then on the bottom in this slot right here, you can actually hang some wine glasses. You can hang 2 glasses from here. So, you know, hang it up on your wall, have 3 bottles here, 2 glasses there. This was actually a present for my sister, which she really liked. But, you know, of course I took it back to make the video, but I will give it back. So, those are 8 scrap projects that I made with my scrap wood. I know we all have tons of scrap wood lying around here, so you might as well do something with it. Maybe you could sell them, make a few bucks off it, or just, you know, make this stuff as gifts. They make awesome gifts for people. Or, you know, just have them around your house. But, yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Comment down below any other things you'd like me to make videos about, any builds, anything you want me to talk about. I'd be happy to do it. But, until next time, thank you so much for watching. I actually hit the camera that time. Good stuff.